Welcome to DYW, Dumfries&Galloway, Science in the Classroom. Today we're looking at foods. Foods can have fats in them. And we've already thought about fats as energy and how we use food as energy. Well, some people say that some fats are bad for us. Saturated fats are thought to be bad for us, and unsaturated fats are supposed to be better. We have a substance called bromine that can test for unsaturated fats. And even though some foods are said to be bad for us, they might still contain unsaturated fats. Bromine is a brown gas and it goes colourless if it comes in contact with unsaturated fats. And for the chemists out there, that means that the double bonds that are in unsaturated fats react with the bromine. And the double bonds are no longer there, and so the bromine adds across them and it becomes colourless. Now today, I'm going to cook my bacon in a way I've never done before, on a Bunsen. So we're going to cook our bacon. We know that bacon contains fat because we can see it. The white is the fat. And we also know bacon isn't supposed to be terribly good for us. So does bacon contain unsaturated fats? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to put it in one of these flasks and we're going to test it with bromine. Trying to get our fat to cook there. There we go. Okay. So, I'll put my Bunsen back in a safety flame and we'll pop that bacon into the flask. There we go. The other two things we're going to test are a sunflower spread. I'm going to put a little bit of that into one of the flasks. Again, having some difficulty getting it to actually go in. There we go. And the last thing we're going to test is our olive oil. There we go. So next we're going to have to work in a fume hood because bromine is also very dangerous. And we're going to take these flasks and put bromine into them. Going to take our bromine and first of all, we're going to place some in a control flask so that you can see the colour and know that if that colour disappears, then we have a positive result for an unsaturated fat. The second flask we're going to put our bromine into is the flask with our bacon. So as you can see, it's really important to stop with the flasks quickly because bromine is so poisonous. But that has instantly decolorised. The next flask has our sunflower spread. That isn't decolorising quite as quickly as I would have hoped, given that it's supposed to be a healthier alternative to butter. And the last flask with our olive oil. We're now going to swirl flasks, the last two flasks, just so that we can get the bromine coming in contact with the olive oil, where you can see it's now decolorised, and also to come in contact with the margarine. It is decolorising, but it's happening quite a lot more slowly than I would have expected. So there you have it. all of those things, even though they are oils, and in the case of bacon have quite a lot of fat, do still have some of our healthier unsaturated fats present in them because they've turned bromine colourless.